The 2008 V-Series truck. Enjoy the maneuverability of a car and the functionality of a pickup with the Mazda B-Series truck. It boasts one of the best fuel economies in its class, 26 miles per gallon, and comes equipped for either big jobs or bigger jobs. The B-Series is a solid performer and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on-off switch, intermittent wipers, front disc rear drum brakes, cloth seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.